Most artists think streaming royalties are the only way to make a living. The truth is, that's barely one piece of a much larger financial puzzle. Welcome to the finale of this XMP Artist Academy series. Today, we're moving beyond the music and into the money. We're revealing how professionals build a sustainable career. Making a living from your art isn't about getting lucky. It's about building a business. Let's break down the real revenue streams that top independent artists use every day. Point 1. Diversify your income. Successful artists don't rely on one stream of revenue. They build a web of interconnected income sources that support each other. Point 2. Mastering streaming and royalties. Yes, streaming pays, but it pays fractions of a cent. The key is volume and understanding the different types of royalties you're owed. Real studio insight. Sign up for a PRO like ASCAP or BMI. They collect performance royalties that your distributor can't. That's money you're leaving on the table. Point 3. Sync licensing. Getting your music placed in TV shows, movies, video games, and commercials is one of the most lucrative paths for an independent artist. Real studio insight. Music supervisors are looking for high-quality, emotionally resonant tracks that are easy to clear. Make sure your instrumental versions are ready to go. Point 4. Direct-to-fan sales. This is where you build your empire. Merchandise, limited edition vinyl, and exclusive content sold directly to your core fan base. Real studio insight. The profit margin on a t-shirt is thousands of times higher than a single stream. Owning your audience relationship is the key to financial independence. Point 5. Live performances. From local open mics to national tours, playing live is still one of the best ways to connect with fans and generate significant income. Here are your actionable steps. First, register your songs with a performance rights organization immediately. Second, build a simple, clean website to sell your merchandise directly. Third, create and upload high-quality instrumental versions of all your best tracks for sync opportunities. Fourth, start small with live shows, local bars, house concerts, anything to build your stage presence. In summary, don't just be an artist, be an entrepreneur. Build multiple streams of income through royalties, sync, direct-to-fan sales, and live shows. Talent gets you in the door, but business acumen builds the house. Master these financial fundamentals, and you can build a music career that lasts a lifetime. Thank you for completing this series with XMP Artist Academy. Continue to improve your sound and your career. We'll see you at the top.